Welcome everyone to today's Nifty Analysis. What has happened? To recollect what we did, and we speak about it yesterday, that this is a breakout, original breakout of IC and MC, because of which this rise had occurred, and now it's come back to this level. First point. What we also said was this is the cusp of a big moment which is coming. So both points together taken, that this is a support and this is a cusp, the entry to a fall is still a prevalent case. That's the first thing. Second, if you realize this, I'll just expand it further. High of today was provided an exact resistance by this two, what we always call as IC candles. Whenever there is no star on a candle, it's called an IC candle. Indecision candle. There was indecision here, there was indecision here. Today also there is an indecision. There is no trend. Maybe because of some positional situations in Bank Nifty, there was no overall impact on Nifty. I know that Bank Nifty stocks don't appear in Nifty, but there always is some kind of relevance to it. So there was no decisiveness, exuberance by bulls, but it could not end with any firm upside. For upside, we still have these two candles as the resistance. This also value is a resistance. If it has to go up, then it will have to jump tomorrow above this value of 21,950. What has happened today in intraday is that this is a momentum candle. In momentum candle, generally price enters into it very freely, but is stopped by these two IC candles. These are the two darbans. These are the two security people. The security candles, I would say, they stopped for the moment today, and we were back to the same point. So, on the whole, the open, which was just slightly above the close of yesterday's candle, has been maintained. Okay. Next, let's come back to the line chart. This is the line chart. Now, line chart again did touch 21,737. And where was this value of 737 coming from? This previous side, this higher high. Now, the idea this line was given is for you to note this value, 737, and be observant as to whether it's going to take any support here. And how do you know support is taken or not? By the formation of waves, which of course it's a part of the course. I will not be able to discuss much on this. But what I will try to see is, let me see if I can just express this particular point. Okay, what we did today in the fall, this is today's today's candle. Let me see, this is, okay. Okay, so this is today's chart. What happened here was there was this kind of formation, right? 21,757, which is enough to give a bounce. This is what we tell you about it. 1 point closing on line chart is fine. It is not breach. So there was a support taken here, and then there was a resistance which came here, and that's how the intraday chart movement occurred. See, exactly it will occur like this. Okay, as it moved up, here is this. There is what we call, or intraday, this is a 5 minute that I'm considering. This is once you break the ascending, right, and you enter below this line, which is previous line, okay, when you break this and you enter this previous line, now that's where the indecision is here now. That we moved up during the day, then it came down probably below the open, slightly below the open, and we are still down now till up till here tomorrow. And then the test whether it will sustain this and take a support over here at 21,762. This is as far as the 5 minute intraday chart is concerned. So now coming back here, we have moved up till here 737, and we are looking to move till 21,522. In the earlier analysis, I said that we will move in 2 or 3 days parts. It will be lucky if we move it in one day, but this all will occur in 2 or 3 days. Now, if it doesn't occur, right, then it will be seen tomorrow itself. It should open above 21,950, open above this high. Okay, this high is 21,930, 21,950, around this level. It should open here. If it doesn't open, then this will continue. The way it opens tomorrow will decide if we are going to continue moving down till 21,191. By all means, according to me, this will continue. It may take 1 or 2 days. It could land up on Friday, on Saturday, on Friday or Monday. We are having a day called Moon's transit over the nodes, that is over Rahu, during which time it is very volatile. And those are the days when you get very high intraday movements. So something of that we can expect, provided this low is breached, this low which is breached, provided this low is breached, right? Once this low is breached and we move above, will decide the fate of what's going to happen. With most probability, it will continue downside because the closing is also below. And best wishes. If you really get it downside, make the money. Thank you very much.